everyone, it's Miss Williams again. Today we have a new special sound, and that is A-R-E. That says air as in care. Okay, the word care is very important. Care means you're showing love towards someone else. You're being kind to them. You are caring for them. You're kind of helping them. So this is an important word for us to learn today. And the special sound is A-R-E, says air as in care. So let's look at some words right now. Let me get my book here with some words that have the word air as in care. And if you see, I have some words already written, which we'll get back to those in a little bit here. So let me see if I can write it over here. All right, so we have the word D-A-R-E. Okay, so I can circle my special sound, which is air as in care, and I'm left with just the D. So D, air, dare. Okay, let's do another one. S-C-A-R-E. Okay, and once again I circle A-R-E, which says air as in care, and then I'm going to circle my other special sound, S-C, which says sk. So if we put it together, we have sk, air, scare. All right, and then let's do one more. S-H-A-R-E. All right, so we look at the word, we need to circle A-R-E for our new special sound, which is air as in care. And then we have one special sound left, which is S-H. So sh, air, share. So that is the special sound for today, which is A-R-E. That says air as in care. Now, let's look at these words right here. Now, we're going to look at these words, and if you can, I'd like you to write these words down, because we're going to figure out the correct order for these words. We've talked about the ABC order before, but today we're going to review the correct form for ABC order, putting words in alphabetical order. Remember, we start with our first letter of the alphabet, which is A, and then we go all the way, if necessary, to the last letter, which is Z. So let's look at these words first. Let's figure out what the words say. Let's read the words, and then we can go back and figure out the correct order for the words. So if we look at our top word here, we have smile, smile. Everyone smile. All right, very good. So smile. And then we go to our next word underneath it. So we have giggle. That means to laugh. Hee hee hee. Giggle. Hope you're not giggling at Miss Williams right now. And let's go to the next word, which is gr. That says grr. Grin. A grin is just a big smile. So give me a grin. And then we have our next word here. This word's a little longer, but we can work on it together. PH, that says makes the F sound, even though it's PH. Excuse me. So phonics. That's the subject we're on right now. I'm going to take a quick drink of water. All right, very good. And then the next word is ist or e. History, okay? History. That's a subject that some of the older classes learn. They learn about the history of the world, okay? And then the last word, we should know this word, class, is B-I-B-L-E. There's a song that we sing that goes along with this word. The B-I-B-L-E. I'll stop there. You can sing the rest if you'd like. So B-I-B-L-E, and that spells, that's right, Bible. Now, we're going to go back now and put these words in ABC order. Now remember, I've already told you that when we're putting words in ABC order, we need to look at the first letter in each word. So I'm going to go and underline the first letter in each word, and I'd like you to do that also. Now, I have S, G, G, P, H, and B. Now, if we go back to the beginning of the alphabet, I don't see any words that begin with the letter A, so I'm going to go to my next letter, which is B. Do you see a word that begins with the letter B? I do. It's down here, which is Bible. So I know that Bible is going to be my first word. So I'm going to write number 1 next to Bible. Okay, or if you want to write the word separately on a different section, start at the top, you can do that also. So Bible is first. Now, I'm going to go look at the rest of my letters. We have S, G, G, P, and H. Which one would come next? The S? Does S come after B? It does, but it doesn't come right after B. So what letter comes after B? A, B, C. Do you see any words that begin with the letter C? No. Okay, so let's move on. A, B, C, D. Do we see any words with D? No. Okay, so the next one will be E. There's no words with E. Then we could go on to F. There's no words with the letter F. What's after F? That's correct, G. Now, here's a little problem though, because there are 2 words here that begin with the letter G. Now remember, Miss Williams told you, if the words begin with the same letter, we would go to the next letter, the second letter. So I'm going to look at my second letter. We have an I and we have an R. Now, out of those 2 words, giggle or grin, is the I going to come first or the R? You tell me. I'll give you a second. Correct, it would be the I. So the word giggle would be second. Erase that, sorry about that. And then I would know that my third word would be grin. All right, so we have 3 words. Bible's first, then giggle, then grin. All right, now, what word would come next? We have S, P, and H. The last letter we stopped at was G, okay? In the alphabet, what letter comes after G? H, that's correct. So the word history would be next. So that would be my 4th word. Now I'm left with 2 more words, the word smile and the word phonics. Now smile begins with the letter S, phonics begins with the letter P. Which word would come next? P or S? It would be the word phonics, P. That would be our 5th word, and then smile would be our 6th word. All right, so that is the lesson for 128. Let's go over the worksheet. Go ahead and get it out. At the top of the section, you have the special sound F-U-L, which says full, as in beautiful, like the beautiful butterfly we saw in the other lesson. So you're going to circle F-U-L, and then you're going to underline the root word in section 1. Section 2, there are 3 boxes, and you're going to read the words in the 3 boxes, and then you're going to draw a picture for each word. Okay, so that's section 2. And then the last little section there, it's the word challenge. You have 2 words that sound the same, they're spelled differently, and they have different meanings. Who can tell me what is that type of word called? Correct, see, homonym. So you have 2 homonyms. You need to read the sentences and fill in the correct word to complete the sentence. So let's go over this section together. We have the word stairs, S-T-A-R-E-S, and then the word stairs, S-T-A-I-R-S. Now the first one, S-T-A-R-E-S, that stairs means like you're staring at someone, which you shouldn't do. You should never stare at someone, but you're looking, okay? And then the last, stairs, is in your house. You might have a staircase that either goes up to another part of your house, or if you walk down the stairs to the bottom, that's the stairs. Okay, like a staircase. So those two homonyms, you need to figure out the correct usage of the homonym stairs and fill in the correct word in those two sentences. So that is lesson 128. All right, it was great seeing you again. Miss you so much. Bye.